A few clinical studies have demonstrated that vitamin C can improve wrinkles. One study showed that daily use of a vitamin C formulation for at least 3 months improved the appearance of fine and coarse wrinkles of the face and neck, as well as improved overall skin texture and appearance. While most people can tolerate daily use of vitamin C serum, some people may experience redness, irritation, or even breakouts. If you have sensitive skin, it's important to start slowly when using a vitamin C serum. Begin by using it every other day, and gradually increase to daily use if your skin can tolerate it. Today in this video, I will share how to make vitamin C cream at home. You will need 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of orange peel powder. Mix it well, and your vitamin C cream is ready. Daily apply on your face and leave it for full night. You will notice a big difference in 1 month. The brightening properties of orange peel powder can be your BFF after a beach vacation. It effectively lightens pigmentation and gets rid of uneven and unwanted tan lines along with the usual blemishes and acne scars. Besides evening out your skin tone, it also calms and soothes sunburns. Using aloe vera on the face can help moisturize skin. Regularly applying a small amount of aloe vera to the face can help treat various skin conditions, including acne, eczema, and sunburn. A person can use the gel directly from an aloe vera plant or buy a bottled variety from a health store.